Okay, now we're going to buff out the paint to remove any water spots, scratches, or swirl marks. As you can see, we got some compound on there. It's going to get a little bit noisy and maybe sloppy, so I'm going to step back, and here's how we buff them. Okay, now you can see the nice shine, water spots are gone, scratches are gone, and the paint looks marvelous. Now we actually go through 4 different steps so that there'll be no swirl marks when we're done, and even out in the sun and after many washes, it'll just still have that deep mirror finish. We're not going to show you that process because it is our trademarked secret for doing quality black paint. So we'll get back with you in a little while on the next step.